Imagine waking up one morning and every piece of technology around you suddenly stops working. Your alarm doesn't ring, your phone can't unlock your car. 1. T start your favorite playlist 1 T load, and even your social media feed looks completely random. Feels like chaos, right? That's because artificial intelligence, the silent engine behind all those everyday conveniences, just vanished. The wild part. You didn't even realize how deeply it had wrapped itself around your daily life. AI isn't coming in the future, it's already here, quietly shaping everything you do from the second you open your eyes to the moment you fall asleep. It's not a futuristic robot taking over your job or some sci-fi villain plotting humanity's end. It's the invisible assistant living in your pocket, your apps, your home, and even your thoughts. It decides which videos you watch, which route you take to work, what you buy, and sometimes even what you believe. If you think you're in control, think again, because I might already be making more choices for you than you think. Now let's pull back the curtain and see what's really happening. When we talk about everyday AI, we're not talking about flashy humanoid robots or movie-style supercomputers. We're talking about the algorithms that quietly learn from your clicks, your habits, and your patterns, predicting what you'll need before you even ask. From Google Maps rerouting your commute based on traffic, to your phone's camera automatically enhancing your selfies, AI has become the invisible infrastructure of modern life. In this video, we're diving deep into how this silent transformation is unfolding all around us, from your morning routine to your work, your entertainment, your money, your home, and even your health. We'll uncover how AI shapes your choices, why it's designed to keep you hooked, and how it's quietly rewriting the rules of the world we live in. This isn't a story about machines replacing humans. It's a story about how humans are unknowingly evolving with machines. By the end, you won't just understand how AI is changing your life, you'll start noticing it in every moment of your day. You wake up, or rather, your AI decides it's time you wake up. That smart alarm on your phone doesn't just go off at a fixed time. It's learned your sleep cycle and picks the best moment to wake you up, so you don't feel like a zombie. You reach for your phone, and your feed is already full of things you might like. Personalized news, morning playlists, maybe that coffee ad you were subconsciously thinking about yesterday. Even before breakfast, AI has already made dozens of micro decisions for you. Google Maps suggests a route before you even open the app. Your weather widget predicts if you'll need an umbrella. Even your photos auto-enhance themselves when you open the camera. This isn't magic, it's machine learning quietly running your life in the background, shaping your habits without asking for permission. Before your day officially begins, AI has already made you predictable and comfortable being so. Once you start your workday, AI becomes your silent coworker, the one who never sleeps, never eats, and never complains. Your email inbox, sorted and filtered by AI spam, gone. Important messages, prioritized. Tools like Grammarly fix your grammar while you type, while predictive text finishes your sentences like it can read your mind. If you're a student, AI helps you summarize research papers. If you're a coder, GitHub Copilot literally writes half your code. Your Zoom calls, they run smoother because AI cancels background noise and adjusts lighting in real time. Even your calendar auto-schedules meetings around your habits. But there's a flip side. The more you rely on these smart tools, the less you notice how dependent you've become. Productivity feels easier, but at what cost? When machines start doing the thinking, the line between helpful and controlling starts to blur. The modern worker isn't just using AI. They're working with it, and sometimes for it. When you open YouTube, Netflix, or TikTok, you think you're choosing what to watch. But really, AI has already chosen for you. Recommendation systems analyze millions of data points: your watch time, your pauses, your rewinds, to figure out exactly what will keep you watching longer. Every scroll is a conversation between your brain and a machine designed to keep your dopamine flowing. The funny thing, AI doesn't care what you like. It only cares that you don't stop watching. Even creators use AI now for editing, script writing, voiceovers, and thumbnails. That viral TikTok trend you saw, AI helped make it viral. This new world of entertainment isn't just about creativity, it's about optimization. The algorithms aren't feeding you content, they're feeding on your attention. And while you're laughing at the next video, AI's learning just a little more about what makes you tick. Ever wonder why an ad for sneakers shows up right after you talk about running? That's not a coincidence. That's AI listening, analyzing, and predicting. Every product you see online, every you might also like section, is powered by machine learning trained to convert curiosity into cash. Amazon's algorithms study your buying habits and subtly nudge you toward what it knows you'll want next. Dynamic pricing means two people looking at the same product might see different prices. AI decides based on how likely each person is to buy. Banks use AI to detect fraud, approve loans, and even decide your creditworthiness. But the trade-off: your financial life is now a data stream, constantly watched and interpreted. AI knows when you're saving, when you're splurging, and sometimes even when you're stressed. In short, you think you're shopping freely, but AI is quietly shopping for you. You walk into your home, and lights turn on automatically. Your thermostat adjusts itself based on your preferences. The security camera recognizes your face before unlocking the door. This is the AI-driven home, efficient, comfortable, and slightly eerie. It learns when you wake up, when you leave, and even how warm you like your shower. Meanwhile, entire cities are getting smarter too. AI controls traffic signals, monitors public transport, and optimizes energy use. In some places, it even predicts crime patterns and health emergencies before they happen. But all this intelligence comes with a price: surveillance. The same cameras that keep you safe can also track you. The same sensors that save energy can study your habits. The line between convenience and control grows thinner every day. AI is making homes in cities more alive, but it's also quietly watching everything that lives in them, including you. AI isn't just changing how we live, it's changing how we survive. Fitness trackers monitor your heart rate, analyze your sleep, and tell you when to move. Your phone quietly counts your steps and sends them to the cloud for health insights. Doctors use AI tools that can detect diseases faster than the human, from skin cancer to heart conditions. Some hospitals even use predictive models to guess which patients might need care before symptoms appear. Mental health apps use chatbots to offer emotional support when no one else is around. It's revolutionary but also deeply personal. These systems know your heartbeats, your mood swings, even your silence. They are not just tools, they are becoming companions. But the question is, who owns this data? In trying to make us healthier, AI might be learning too much. The more it knows about our bodies, the more control it quietly gains over our lives. Behind every convenience lies a trade-off. AI doesn't run on magic, it runs on data, your data. Every swipe, click, search, and pause feeds the machine, teaching it who you are. The scary part: AI doesn't always learn fairly. It can inherit human bias, amplify stereotypes, and make decisions that affect people's lives, from hiring to housing to justice. The algorithms deciding what news you see can also shape what you believe. And the companies controlling those algorithms, they're the real power players of the 21st century. AI doesn't just reflect your world, it reshapes it, one invisible calculation at a time. We're not just users anymore, we're part of the system, feeding it with every digital move we make. The question isn't whether AI is watching us. The real question is, are we watching it back? So, after all this, here's the truth: AI isn't some distant, futuristic thing waiting to take over the world. It already has, just not in the way movies told us it would. It's not a shiny robot walking down your street. It's the invisible force guiding your choices, shaping your habits, and quietly weaving itself into the rhythm of your life. From your morning alarm to your late-night scroll, AI has become the silent background hum of human existence, always there, always learning, always adapting. But this story isn't meant to scare you. It's meant to wake you up. Because awareness is power. The moment you start noticing where AI shows up, how it nudges your thoughts, how it predicts your needs, you take back a piece of that control. The goal isn't to reject technology, it's to redefine your relationship with it. AI isn't the villain here, it's the mirror, reflecting everything we've taught it: our creativity, our curiosity, our flaws, and our fears. The question is, what kind of reflection are we shaping? As AI learns from us, we're also learning from it about who we are and what we value. The age of invisible AI has already begun, and whether we realize it or not, we're all part of its evolution. The future isn't man versus machine, it's man with machine. And the ones who understand that partnership will be the ones shaping what comes next. So tomorrow morning, When your alarm rings, your map updates, and your feed refreshes, take a second to notice the quiet intelligence running behind it all. That's AI silently transforming your world, one decision at a time. If you enjoyed this breakdown and want to keep exploring how technology is reshaping our lives, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to my channel for more thought-provoking content about AI and the future.